This is the Dream Confetti palette, Tamagotchi toy. It's based on Confetti's makeup set in the anime. It's bigger than I thought it would be. Here it is. Here are the different colours of ink, and these are what you use for the stamps. And here are the different stamps. It doesn't work very well. I was trying to do Kiraritchi and I was just like, her face wouldn't go on there, so I did Yumemechi and she worked better. And her stamps weren't very good either though. So you choose a character. I think I use Mamechi. And you stick it on this stamper. There we go. Then you choose a face. And you stick it on this part. Take this plastic off. Stamp. Just want to get it off the edges. Well, let's see if it works this time. Not very good. It looks like it has one eye or something. Oh wow. No, I can choose different thingies to put on. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. Or you stick them on this thing. Which colour? A weird purple colour. I'm now going to stamp it on Mamechi's head. No. Sorry about my voice. There are also other things like these small stamps. You can stick them in the middle hole. Oops, I almost dropped my camera. I'll do that blue. Still. I can't hold it off Mamechi. So that's it for now. Oh, and it also comes with these cards you can stamp on. Oops, I only stamped on this one. It was a bit of a failure. Confetti's hair didn't show up and her face didn't show up at first, so I had to do it twice. So that's it for now. It's the Confetti palette.